We shut down the entire AI hustle. Not because it failed, but because it was quietly becoming useless. And if you're still building an AI side hustle the way people did last year, you're not early anymore. You're already replaceable. Stay with us because this restart changed how we think about AI, money, and leverage in 2026. Here's the uncomfortable truth. In 2026, AI didn't kill opportunity. It killed the lazy strategy. Everyone has access to the same tools now. Same models, same prompts, same automations. So the question isn't, can AI do this? It's, why would anyone choose you to do it? Ignore this shift and you'll spend months testing tools, copying workflows, posting content nobody remembers. That's why we restarted everything from scratch. This is the official AI Hustle Club, where we break down how to actually use AI to build leverage, not hype. If you want practical, realistic AI strategies that work for beginners and solopreneurs, subscribe. We post weekly, no fluff, no fake screenshots. Now let us show you exactly what changed. The 2026 restart. We killed the AI tool collector mindset. Let's start with the biggest trap. Before the restart, we were consuming AI tools like content, new launch, new feature, new game changer. Tools feel productive, but they're not a business. AI is no longer rare. Clarity is. Real-world business example. A local agency owner doesn't care which AI writes captions. They care that 1. Content is consistent. 2. Leads show up. 3. Time is saved. AI is just the engine behind the scenes. Beginner perspective. If you're new, this is freeing. You don't need 1. Custom agents. 2. APIs. 3. Complex stacks. You need one painful problem but people already pay to solve. How we'd personally use this? We asked one question during the restart. If AI disappeared tomorrow, what problem would still exist? That's where we rebuilt from. Common mistake. Starting with, what AI tool can I monetize? Instead of, what outcome already has demand? Advanced insight. In 2026, AI skill is assumed and problem ownership is the differentiator. If AI stopped improving today, would your hustle still make sense? Most people avoid that question and are uncomfortable. We rebuilt around attention, not automation. This part hurt my ego, to be brutally honest. I loved automation, dashboards, flows, hands-off systems. But automation without attention is just quiet. Simple explanation, you don't need leverage first. You need eyes. Real-world example, a Faceless YouTube channel beats 1. Cold DMs. 2. Freelance marketplaces. 3. Paid ads. Why? Because attention compounds. Beginner use case. 1 long video can become 1. 5 shorts. 2. 3 text posts. 3. 1 newsletter. AI doesn't replace work, it multiplies visibility. How we'd personally leverage it. Our restart stack looks like this. 1. Long-form YouTube as the core. 2. AI repurposing downstream. 3. Zero pressure to go viral. Common mistake. Automating content before knowing what holds attention. Underrated insight. Algorithms don't reward effort. They reward retention. We stopped selling AI and sold relief. This changed everything. Simple explanation. Nobody wakes up wanting AI. They wake up wanting 1. Less stress. 2. More time. 3. Predictable results. Real-world example. Compare these two offers. 1. AI-powered content generation. 2. 30 days of content done for you, delivered weekly. Same AI, different psychology. Beginner angle. You don't need a course or SaaS. You can package, clarity, execution, consistency. AI just makes delivery faster. How we'd personally use it? Our content stopped saying, look what AI can do, and started saying, here's what this fixes. Common mistake. Leading with features instead of outcomes. Advanced insight. The less you mention AI, the more valuable the offer feels. Which shift surprised you most so far? Tools, attention, offers, or mindset? Comment one word. It helps the channel and shows us what to break down next. We designed for low energy, not max. Motivation. This is where most hustles quietly die. Simple explanation. If your system only works when you're motivated, it's not a system. Real-world example. Creators burn out trying to 1. Post daily. 2. Be everywhere. 3. Optimize everything. Beginner use. Instead of 1 filming day. 2. Reusable templates. 3. AI-assisted expansion. How we'd personally leverage it. Our rule: if we can't run this tired, it's too complex. That changed how I build everything. Common mistake. Overbuilding before validating. Underrated insight. Consistency beats intensity, especially with AI. We switched from making money to building position. This is subtle but powerful. Simple explanation. Money follows positioning. If people trust how you think, they trust what you sell. Real-world example. Creators who explain why something works. 1. Get higher retention. 2. Stronger communities. 3. Easier monetization. Beginner strategy, document learning. 1. What failed? 2. What surprised you? 3. What changed? That's authority without flexing. How we'd use it? 1. A guide. 2. An experimenter. 3. A filter for noise. 4. Not a guru. Common mistake. Trying to look successful instead of useful. Advanced insight. In 2026, trust compounds faster than tactics. Momentum boost. The hidden advantage. Here's the part most people misunderstand. AI didn't make business harder. It made thinking visible. When execution gets easier, judgment becomes everything. If you're still watching, you're already playing the right game. Summary plus action framework. Here's the restart framework I'd use again. 1. Identify one painful problem. 2. Choose one attention channel. 3. Sell outcomes, not tools. 4. Build for low energy days. 5. 5. Play the long authority game. Simple doesn't mean easy, but it scales. If you want practical AI strategies that actually work in 2026, subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. And in the next video, I'll break down how we turn this exact framework into a real income stream step by step.